Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First, you need to choose a group from your Facebook, and then you might see the option of anonymous post. Click on it and write the post and upload it. But sometimes you might not see the option of anonymous post. So click on what's on your mind, and then you will see the option of post anonymously. Turn on and then make your post and click I want to post anonymously. That's it. By following such easy steps, you can post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. So that's basically how you can post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.